Can I hide in here? This is perfect. Hide. Perfecto. He ain't gonna look over there. Okay, these are all the coins that... How he knew I was in there? I'm gaming because why not? Why the hell not? Y'all know I just do every and anything on this channel. I do vlogs, I do how-to videos, just whatever. We're gaming, we're playing Roblox. I was thinking about playing Minecraft. Had some little technical difficulties. Yeah, we're about to play Murder Mystery 2. It's like 45 seconds in for Haja that's edited. And now we're about to play Murder Mystery 2. Let's get. I'm gonna play like 2 rounds on here. Y'all like the video, if y'all gonna like the vibes, y'all better comment and interact with me and let me know. Oh my god, it's been so long since I played Murder Mystery. Last time I played this was probably like 2020. I came in at the perfect time. Sheriff? Oh my god. Why did I have to be sheriff? People lives in my hands. I want to be a bystander. Nice little bystander. Go and hide somewhere. Now I gotta see what's really up. It's been so long since I used the controls. What the hell? Oh yeah, we all gonna die. Oh, no. Oh, who just did that? Who just did it? I just heard somebody. I think it's the one in black right here. I'll pull out my gun. Oh. That was like 30 seconds. How the sheriff the first one to die? This is so embarrassing. I'm sorry, y'all. I apologize. I hope. Let me back up off you. How do I spectate? Yeah, let me spectate. Let me see what's going on. I did not know it actually. Dang, none of y'all grabbed the gun. Who got the gun? Shoot him. Like, this is crazy. Look at this mess. This on me. I haven't played in like 3 years. Please don't do me, y'all. Please. Thank you very much. Practice makes perfect. I also want to play Among Us. Anyways, let's on to the next game. Can't hold on to the past forever. Oh, we can go vote in here, right? Yeah, let's go vote. I'm like, there's something missing. I remember that. Okay. Okay. You want to say something? Aim. I'm innocent. This is exactly what I like. Now, where we gonna go hide? Where we gonna go hide at? So I'm gonna try to get this video to at least 10 minutes or something. Like, oh, I already hear somebody. Let me go hide in this vent. Come on. Go in there. Go in. Oh, okay. I'll hide right here. I don't know why I get that gun in my waist. I don't even, is this me? Why am I, this is my character. Why am I like this? Oh, all them bodies down there. I don't know what to do. Should I run? He ain't, damn, they got my dogs. As long as I stay right here, he see that body. He gonna think he already cleared out this section. Should I stay here? Where do I go? Okay, we're not gonna be camping. Camping is boring. Let's go. Explore, get some coins. It don't seem like nobody coming up here, so like, I'm really chilling. What's this egg? I'm about to hide down here. See, he wouldn't think to check over here. All these Easter eggs. Can I hide in here? This is perfect. Hide. Stay in here all the way. Perfecto. He ain't getting me. He or she. There. 70 seconds left, y'all. I think I just saved this. I just saved this for the team. You can't see me. You can't see me. I know that's right. If he don't clear out everybody, we win. You can see me a little on the side, but like, he ain't gonna look over there. Perfect. Now that's perfect. Masterpiece. 30 seconds left. Let's go. Everybody thank me. I made a nice little comeback, and that's that. Okay, these are all the coins that. How he knew I was in there? Yo, nah, that was tough. I ain't gonna lie. He said, how the hell he knew I was in there? He probably looked everywhere else. You know what? I'm about to, it was him, right? Can't have nothing. I just pushed him down. I know that's right. Yeah. Where y'all at? Join me. Anyways, let me go vote. Cause y'all not voting. Y'all just standing here looking dumb. I don't want no parts. Oh my gosh. Every time I try to go vote, it disappears. And they run so slow. Like, what type of run is this? You're not running for real. Okay, innocent. Let's go. You know, I'm not gonna be scary this time. I'm gonna like walk around, get into the action. I don't know who picked this map. Not messing with it. Yo, you gang or what? That's a murderer. That's a murderer. I feel like that's a murderer. Move. Move. Why am I always like the first person to die? This game pissing me off, bro. We're 7 minutes into this, which means it's probably like 5 minutes with editing. But I'm gonna keep going until this is 15 minutes. Cause I know my laptop probably don't got that much space. Let's go, team. I need to stop being so scared because when I start to play like the story games, some type of boldness. Ooh, let's pick this. I like that. Dang, you copying me. You want to beat me so bad. I hold grudges. That's the thing with me with Murder Mystery. I hold grudges. I know you just doing your job, but I hold grudges. Trying to get the thumbnail. Oh, let me actually play instead of trying to get the rounds on Murder Mystery. Then I'm gonna call it an. This is the perfect. They put me in a perfect spot. Can just watch everybody. See. C was T. Who's she running from? She was just running from somebody. Anybody up here sniping? Just trying to watch. This is really the perfect place. But nobody's gonna like snipe anybody up here. That's the thing. They smart. They're smarter than that. Why you keep coming close to the window? What's up? I don't trust you. Back up off me. Y'all better watch me. You see this bull? He's trying to kill me, y'all. Stay right there. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew he's trying to kill me. Now he's trying to run away. Yo, I knew he came up here trying to kill me, but so much people out there, they're gonna see him in the window. He's still there waiting for me. I can't go nowhere, bro. Why does it always happen to me? I feel like I'm an easy target for these folks. Like, I don't got no guns. Somebody help me. Help me. Y'all help. I wish people were smart to know that I need help. As soon as I go to that corner, he right there. He waiting for me, bro. If you don't go get other people or something. I know you saw that. I know you just saw that. You in the mirror. That just pissed me off. Somebody go get him. Who's the sheriff? How you control this? How do I switch people? Because these people are ass. Like, nobody's trying to get him. Y'all are so scary. I literally was camping up there, so I can't even talk. Oh, see, I might have got these people confused. They literally look the exact same. Okay, he got the gun. Shoot him. Good job. Let's go. Get him. Or her. Or they. They pissing me off. I need a new team or something. Everybody's scary. I should be the only scary person on the team. Okay, we still have more people alive, so that's good. We have 2 people, so hopefully she doesn't be too scared so she can help this bull out. This is not what we signed up for. We signed up to watch me play. If I knew how to play. Now you running? Shoot him. Shit, how do I pull my gun out? Yo, how do I pull my gun out? Or this is my first time playing murder mystery in like 2-3 years, so dang, it's gonna be a very interesting video to edit. It should be a way to link your camera up to your laptop so it all records at once. I'm pretty sure that's what people do. If that's recording the audio, I can just like put it low in the background. It's gonna be a tough one to edit for real. That's why I don't want to make it too long. Make sure y'all follow me on TikTok and Instagram while y'all here, and make sure y'all subscribe, okay? TikTok live, we be on there chatting it up all the time. At least once a day, which is so cute. It's so adorable. I actually think I might end the video here. I think that's good. I don't want to play it in the right. I'm so excited for this new era. I think I just want to tap into gaming because this is something I've never tried. Y'all, I've been doing YouTube since I was 8. I'm 19 now, and I've never done a gaming video ever. It's never too late for another try. If y'all got any games or just in general that y'all want me to play,
Series X.
Xbox Series S, Series X. Alright, thank you so much for watching.
Wait a minute! Who are you?